Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the HQRP 4-pack foam filter, designed to be compatible with a range of Kenmore Canister Vacuum Cleaners, including models like 116.21714, 21714, and more. This 4-pack of double-layer motor safety filters serves as a perfect replacement for Kenmore Sears Progressive and Whispertone models, as well as Panasonic MCV 9568, ensuring your vacuum operates at peak performance. Each filter measures 5 inches by 5 inches by 0.4 inches, and it's crucial to remember that the white side should face up or out towards the dust compartment for optimal functionality. With a 2-week DOA replacement warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any initial defects. These filters are crafted to maintain the efficiency of your vacuum by preventing dust and debris from reaching the motor, thus extending the life of your appliance. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning sessions, these filters are designed to keep your vacuum running smoothly and effectively. So, if you're looking to enhance your vacuum's performance, the HQRP foam filters are a reliable choice to consider. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.